everybody, so today's video is going to be kind of like a chatting video because I've had a realization. So living in America, we've grown up accustomed to Hollywood and all of its productions, and a lot of the productions lately have been book to movie adaptations such as The Hunger Games and Divergent, Fault in Our Stars, and whatnot. So if you do not know, I have a fan account called At the Shadowhunters, and At the Shadowhunters revolves around Mortal Instruments. Mortal Instruments is a book series by Cassandra Clare, and it became into a movie, which is the Mortal Instruments City of Bones movie. It kind of flopped. Okay, it really flopped. But it was advertised all over the place in America in different countries. So whenever somebody commented on one of my pictures on that account saying, wait, City of Bones is a movie? I never have thought about that. Wait, that's a thing? I never would have guessed. I'm like, really? Because it's all over the place. But I was in a different position then. Now I'm in that person's position who had no idea City of Bones was a movie until it was out, because I currently am reading Ruby Red by Christian Greer. It's a book about time travel and it's very good so far. I'm really enjoying it. But this book is a young adult movie in Germany. The author, Christian Greer, is German, and this was originally written in German and translated into English. And I did not know it was a movie. I never would have guessed at all if somebody didn't tell me. It's under the name in German, Rubenrot. I'm so sorry if I pronounce that wrong. I don't speak German. I'm a German citizen. Country, you're my country besides America. I have dual citizenship. But anyways, I don't speak German. So I probably pronounced it wrong, I'm sorry. But I never knew this was a movie. Maybe it was mentioned to me in passing that it was a movie, but I never knew it was an actual movie, and it didn't register until now. And now I see the other perspective of this whole entire book to movie adaptation spectrum in a way. So for all of you guys who do not live in America or do not get American advertisement for American based films or any English speaking films that are book to movie adaptations, I feel like I'm in your place right now, but Germany's the America in this scenario, and my mind's blown. And I just thought that was really interesting, that I didn't know that this was a movie. I don't even know why I'm filming this video. I just thought it was just like, whoa, and I wanted to share my whoa-ness with you, because this movie, it's actually becoming a second movie too. Like, I didn't know that either. And I guess a lot of the reason was because I have not read the book yet. Like, I'm currently reading it, but I did not read it when the film was being produced or was out. So I guess that is cut me some slack in that area. But did you guys know that this was a movie in German? And they actually dubbed it over in English. So I want to go try to find that version, so once I'm done reading this book I can go watch it, because it looks actually really good. It kind of looks like a Mortal Instruments meets a time travel movie or something, but must be better done because it's becoming a second film, and Mortal Instruments is not becoming a second movie. But it's becoming a TV show, which is still quite confusing to me. I'm sorry if this is really like random and confusing to you, why I'm even filming this video. I'm about to go to bed, I'm in my pajamas, but I just thought it was really interesting because I'm kind of sitting on the side of the people who don't normally hear this much book to movie adaptation news. Either you live in a different country that does not speak English, and you don't normally get all these American advertisements for movies because you don't speak that language. And when you do, and when you finally find out that there's a movie based on a book that you really liked, it's like a year or two later and you're like, whoa. So, wow, it's interesting being on that side. Like, I must be like mind blown from this. I don't know why I'm so like, whoa, but I just am. And I just felt like filming a video for you guys because I'm just like, whoa. Am I the only one who did not know that this was a movie? And the trailer actually looks really good, minus the voiceover dubbed version with American voices, because that kind of was sad. But the guy's really attractive, and the girl looks like the main character, so that's already a thumbs up for me, and it looks really interesting and really good. So I cannot wait to finish Ruby Red and then watch the movie. I'll do a movie review actually, because I'm really excited now, and maybe this is a new fandom I could be a part of. Okay, I'm so random, guys. It's not even funny, but I just felt like sharing that because that may be really confusing what I explained, because in my head it was less confusing than what I said, but you know what? it's okay. I think you get what I'm talking about. I hope you do. But technically what just summarizes what I just said if you still are confused. Book to movie adaptations are made in different countries, in different languages, all the time. And some of us just may not have known about it. And it's just surprising for me because I'm in this book to movie adaptation world. I know what's all going on because if you do not know, I run the segment on the Epic Reads YouTube channel called Epic Adaptations where I wrap up all the monthly book to movie adaptation news. You go check it out. The newest segment, which is for November, is coming out very soon, so woo. But I thought I would know about this stuff, but I didn't. And I think I should start digging deeper in the book to movie adaptation world because maybe missing stuff like this. And it just, whoa, it kind of just like, whoa, it kind of pushed me back and I'm like, whoa. Anyways, so for all you people that live in different countries and that speak different languages, first of all, you're awesome if you can speak English because I don't speak any other language and I'm really sad about that. I really need to change that. But for those of you who don't speak any other language besides your own and do not know about any films from book to movie adaptations at all until like a few years later, I don't blame you. I seriously don't blame you. Before I thought like, seriously? But now I'm like, you're totally okay. That's totally okay because now that I see it from a different perspective, wow. Anyways, I'm really excited to watch this movie. Can you tell me if it was good in the comments below? And if you know where to see this movie, please tell me in the comments below because I want to see it badly. I may want to see like a subtitle version because I don't know how I feel about voiced over movies because it seems kind of silly. But I'll do whatever I want. Or maybe I could just learn German and watch it. I've been to Germany. It was a very nice country. I got some soap there. So that is all for today's very random video. If you guys liked it, maybe I'll do some more of these because it should be like late night talks with Sasha. Because late night is when my mind wanders and I don't even know what I'm talking about half the time. But you know what? It makes an entertaining video, I think. If not very confusing. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And please answer some questions down below that I may have. Here's a wrap up of what questions I have. Where to watch the movie? Did you know that Ruby Red was actually a German film? And did you like the movie? Because I'm very curious about that. And was it faithful to the book? Because yay. And also, do you want me to do a movie review on it if I find a place to watch this movie? Yeah. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!